YouTube views, what is going on, y'all, friends and family, and those who are new to the channel? If you are, hit like and subscribe. But other than that, what's going on, y'all? I'm back at it with another one. It's time to view these bad boys right here. I've been waiting for so long for these, man. I ordered about 2.5 weeks ago via StockX, the original seller. I don't know what happened with him. They had to, get me another reseller at that point. So we finally got it here. They already dropped. These bad boys dropped on the 17th of this month, May 17th. And they went for $220 USD, I believe. Yeah, $220. Now, you guys want to know why I'm really hyped about this one? How many times has Yeezy dropped red Yeezys? The brand barely does it at all. This is the second one here. If I'm not mistaken, the first one was the bread, 350 breads. Had a little bit of red on the side. And I guess you could say that the pull tab in the back of one of the other 350 pairs had a little bit of red, but that's not enough red, guys. Like, come on, it's not enough. This one actually has a decent amount of red. We're going to take a look at it today. This is called the Yeezy 500 High Sumac. I don't really know how to pronounce it, guys, but it's either called Sumac or Sumac. Man, super similar to the 500 Highs that I just recently reviewed, the tactile orange. Super similar. Yeah, we're gonna dive deep into this. I can't believe we got a red pair finally, man. Shout out to StockX. Shout out to StockX. I'll show you the front real quick. Woo! Lost of words right now. Take a look at this. Take a look at this. This is exactly how I expected it to be. This is exactly how I expected it to be. Hey, man. Oh, nah. This is... Sheesh. Okay, you can get out of there. Get out. No, I'm playing. I'm just playing. It's all love. But this right here, this is crazy. Let me know what you guys think between this one and the tactile orange. Which one do you feel is the better pair? In my opinion, this one easily. This one very, very easily. But they're both dope. Yeah, this one's gonna stay in the collection, guys. Kanye West, if you ever bump into this video, just know we need more reds, please. I know we got the Red Octobers coming through in October for the foam runners, but don't let it stop there. Please don't let it stop there. I've seen the leak of that MNVN in the factory, the red ones. You gotta drop that too, and don't let it stop there neither. I want a 700 V3 coming out in red as well. But anyways, let me stop talking about that. Let's show you details real quick. Here's the bottom. I'm excited, man. How do you guys feel about this down here? I feel like the color here within the very bottom portion of this midsole is different than the coloring up here in the upper. Very tad bit of a difference. Very tad bit of a difference. It's like some sort of like darkened purple with gray mixed into the purple, I'd say. Same thing that's pretty much going on here. This is some sort of grayish dark purple going on here. And you got your brown. The brown has returned. Same brown we've seen in the tactile orange. And these bungee style laces, the infinity laces, it's just as durable as the other pair, the tactile orange. It's the same exact thing, just in red. And yeah. Look at these extra sexy red laces. Oh. Ooh. Ooh. The insole. Take a look at that. Okay, it's that dark brown. Dark brown. This does not contain Boost, guys, which is very comfortable, but it does contain Adiprene, which is also very comfortable. Can't go wrong with a pair of these. Do not go true to size, guys. Go half a size up. Do yourself a favor. Go half a size up with this pair right here. Lost for words with this, man. This red is real nice. I think Sumac or Sumac is named after a plant, something like that, which is red as well. So I'm guessing he mimicked the same exact red you would find on that plant. What you guys think? Copper drop. Let me know. All right, so these were made in Vietnam, it seems. If anybody can answer this, by the way, I'd greatly appreciate it. Why is it that this pair came with this, right? This tag, the rope lace, and all that. Which is what happened with my pair of tactile orange, the one that came via Concepts. But I also received a pair of tactile orange via Kith, and it came with this tag instead. If anybody can explain this, I'd appreciate it. I'm pretty sure none of these things are fake because I got one from Concepts, one from Kith, one from StockX. And you know, StockX and Concept, they both gave me this, while Kith gave me this. And I know Kith is a legit store as well, so if anybody could explain that, I'd greatly appreciate it. I know you guys want to see how this looks on feet, so we're going to do just that right now. Let's get to it. That was quite a quickie, wouldn't you say? But anyways, let me know how you feel about this shoe. Cop a drop, let me know in the comment section below. Did you already cop? Do you plan on copying? Do you already have the tactile orange, and is that the reason why you don't want to get it? Why did you get the tactile orange? Is it because you couldn't get the inflamed low tops? Let me know about all that. Let me know about your stories below in the comment section. I would like to hear. And stay tuned because we got 2 early looks coming up soon. I can't say what it is, but it's coming soon. It's your boy Broadway J, and I'm out. Thanks for stopping by, y'all. Peace.